Good morning. I'm Dawn Monroe, and I will be teaching the powerful pivoting in Excel next week at the WIBA office, and I hope you've gotten registered. If you are worried that you don't know anything about pivoting, you don't even know what I'm talking about, I want you to look at this sheet I have open here. Row after row of data with headings. I bet you are setting up some data like this, and this means you are ready to start pivoting. We want to change this data so we can summarize it and analyze it and figure out what we're doing next in our business, and I know you can benefit from this. So feel the fear and come anyway, and join us for lunch. Thanks to Beta, they'll provide extra laptops if you don't happen to have one. And thanks to WIBA for letting us put on these great workshops. See you then.